urgent weather message for the entire region of Tuscany, Italy. The National Weather Service has issued an extreme heat warning until June 21, 2026. This in a particularly dangerous situation. Gather drinking water supplies and if possible, carry a fire extinguisher as this alert will count as a fire warning because of the forest fire risk warning in effect, causing the special coverage mode to be activated on the Eurosafe beacon alert system. Stay tuned to local radio, television or internet sources for further instructions.